Welcome to this video review of these Colorama pencils made by Bohemia Works in Czechoslovakia. This was actually a brand name of the LC Hardmuth company, and these pencils were manufactured in Czechoslovakia from about the mid-1950s. So let's have a look at this beautiful tin. So as you can see from the artwork, definitely 1950s. Part number 5217C/S. Bohemia Works Czechoslovakia, and this Toysondor logo in the corner. So yeah, that's definitely 1950s. It's quite a slim tin. Plain on the back on there. This is screen printed onto here, I think. Yes. Do freeze the video if you want to have a good look. And let's have a look inside. So inside the lid we've got the name printed again, Czechoslovakia. And here we've got the 5 clutch mechanical pencils and an original eraser. So let's have a look at the eraser first. There you go, Bohemia Works. Looks hardly used, only used a little bit. Still pliable. Lasted a good long time. I'll just take the pencils out first of all, see if there's anything else in the tin. No, just a little bit of plastic and tape and tissue. Obviously you don't know if that's original. Might be original just to stop it moving. So let's have a look at these pencils. Beautiful. Let's pick this one up first. So we can see Czechoslovakia, Bohemia Works, Toysondor Colorama 52174. Fire 2175. Again, they're all printed the same. That's 3. That's 345. This one is 6. And this one is 2, so the number 1 is missing. So we have 5 pencils there. So we've got the blue, green, yellow, black and brown. These are clutch mechanical pencils. It's got the original leads in them. So if we check the mechanism works. Yeah, oh, that works, lovely. Yeah, let's get that lead out a little bit. That works. Yeah, that works. Lovely, good, strong clutch grip on these. These probably haven't been touched in 50 years. I think that lead looks about, I would say it looks about 1.5 millimeters, that lead. It's certainly not a 2 millimeter lead. Black. Don't think the black's ever been used because the end of that is completely flat. And the brown as well. Yeah, all the mechanisms are working perfectly. So let's see how they look on paper. So first of all, the blue one. Oh, that's lovely and smooth. Look at that beautiful rich blue. Green. Yeah, that's a very pale green. That's like a leaf-like green. Lovely. It's a mustardy sandy yellow. To think these probably haven't been used for 50, 70 years. Just wonderful. Black. Yeah, that feels like a standard HB lead. As I say, it looks like it's the first time it's ever been used. And this is a brown. Yeah, that's a lovely brown as well. So there you go, all the colours. So I don't know what colour's missing. Does anybody know what colour is missing? There you go, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. So there would have been one more, I believe. So that's the Bohemia Works Colorama pencils from Czechoslovakia. Yeah, all the clutch mechanisms still working after all these years. Drawing to wonderful finish. The tin is about 18.5 centimetres long, and each pencil is about 14.5, 15 centimetres long. So thank you for watching this review of these beautiful pencils. Please do give us a like and subscribe. Lots more videos coming up on pencils, mechanical pencils and related items. Thank you for watching.